أعوذ بالله السميع العليم من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Who will be coming on the dais, please? Any one of you. Come over here. You people are requested to please open your booklet. Open your booklet, please, at page number 4. Open your booklet at page number 4. And let me know that how many formats are over there. There are 12 formats now. Let me confirm whether we have done no, some of them or not. Format 1 we have done 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. First 9 formats we have done. Sure?
Yes.
Today's lesson is based on the format given in format number 10. Format number 10 is the today's topic. You can take it, you can write the date on it now. Which format are we going to do today? Format number 10. Which format is going to be discussed today? Format number 10. No? It's very simple. Everybody makes plans. Do you agree? Do you agree or not? Everybody makes plans. Do you make plans? Do you make plans or not? Still, you are no, I want to see you respondent. Do you make plans or not?
Yes, sir.
You make plans, no? Let me know. Let's practice, not yes or no. Do you believe in Allah Almighty?
Yes, sir.
Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you believe in Allah Almighty? Do you offer prayers?
Yes, I do.
Very good. Do you recite the Holy Quran?
Yes, I do.
No points clear. Do you obey your parents? Ask them the question one by one. Do you and we one before we start? Please ask them the question. Do you, for example, I am listening. Do you understand the words? ये क्या होता है?
Yes, I
Do you understand the words?
Yes, I do.
Very good. Do you understand the words?
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do. No, like that you're supposed to ask the question. No, these people are your addressees. Ask them the question, please.
Do you feel happy in this weather?
Very good. Do you feel happy in this weather?
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do. And if you don't, you would say, no, I don't. For example, do you love your parents?
Yes, I do.
Very good. Do you hate your parents?
No, I don't.
Very good. Do you believe in Allah?
Yes, I do.
Very good. No. Do you disbelieve in Allah? No, I don't. Yes, I do. No, I don't. Yes, I do. No, I don't. The point's clear or not? Please, next question.
Do you offer prayer?
Very good. Do you offer prayers? Yes, you do.
Do you wear warm clothes in this weather?
Once again.
Do you wear warm clothes in this weather?
Clothes is a garden.
Clothes.
Yeah?
Clothes.
Clothes. What?
Clothes.
कोई बात नहीं मैं उस मूड नहीं है मेरे को टाइम पड़ेगा and once again please
Clothes.
very good. Do you wear the warm clothes in summer or in winter?
Yes, I do.
Very good. In winter, no. Ji please.
Do you recite the Holy Quran in?
You button लगा switch give the time within the ball. Ji better please.
Do you recite the Holy Quran?
Do you recite the Holy Quran?
Yes, I do.
Very good. Please.
Do you play in this weather?
Do you?
Play.
Very good. Do you play in this weather? Ji. No, I don't. Ji.
Do you feel hunger
Do
in
you-
this class?
Very good. Do you feel hunger in this class? Ji. No, I don't.
Do you feel happy in this class?
Excellent.
Yes,
Ji.
I do.
Love you, my son. Ji, please. Hurry up. Hurry up. 4 to go.
Do you sit quietly in this class?
Very good. Do you sit quietly? Quietly.
Quiet.
Quietly. Not quietly. Quietly. Ji.
Quiet. Yes, I do.
Yes, I do. Quiet to बोलना है मैंने. Ji, please.
Do you cook before this class?
गाली गाली कर लगे हैं तो मैडम मेरा देश में before you come to Sila for this class, जी? No, I don't, जी. I'm not using it, जी.
Do you
हाँ.
do you awake quickly for this class?
Do you
Awake in the morning.
wake up? Awake होता है
Wake
जगाना.
up in this morning.
अब जरा देखना. My mother wakes up at 4. My mother wakes up at 4 and she awakes us at 4:30. बात clear हुई? My mother wakes up at 4. मेरी अम्मी 4 बजे जागती हैं and she awakes me at 4:30 और मुझे 4:30 बजे जगाती है। बेचारे इमाम ने काम किया।
Yes, sir.
इन्हें पूछा गया
आप
आपके मैंने बोला पूछा है। हाँ जी। इन्होंने क्या पूछा आपसे? जी तक ना पूरी करनी है। हाँ जी। शाबाश। लो फिर मैं तो बुला ठीक है। हाँ जी। क्या पूछा जी इन्होंने आपसे? यू मेरे गाल द्वारना लोगी कोई रहना यू जी। अब भाई इन्होंने आपसे क्या पूछा है?
Question.
मेरे चमचा ना बढ़ना जी अच्छा उन्हें पूछा है क्या कहते हैं मिलने मालूम हाँ यू फिर आप मुझे बदले में आप कहते हो मैंने तो जवाब सुनते का पूछा है कई इनने मुझसे पूछा है क्या क्या जी कि क्या मैं सुबह सवेरे जागती हूँ आपसे वैसे इन्होंने क्या पूछा है इन्होंने आपसे क्या पूछा आपसे क्या पूछा अच्छा मेरे बोल गाल काट दे अच्छा ये कहानी इस कौन की आपसे क्या पूछे
Do I wear
हाँ very love you my son that's a really proud of you बात समझ आई नहीं पर आपसे क्या पूछे मेरे बोल भाड़े को मेरी गाल पूछे नहीं वेरी आपसे क्या पूछे
Do I play instrument?
एक्सेलेंट आपसे पूछे नहीं हाँ जी आपसे क्या पूछे बिफोर आई कम टू सेला जी वेरी गुड आपसे क्या पूछे
Do I feel happy in the class?
एक्सेलेंट जी
Do I sit quietly in the class?
ये कौन दसो जी यू देखी जान छोड़ दो वास्ता में हम लगे आपसे क्या पूछा हाँ जी वेरी गुड इतनी सी बात आप एक इधर आ जाए आप इधर आ जाए frankly let you know that what's going on over there no that you are ready for the new lesson or not frankly let you
Yes,
know
we are.
because something very important no is going to be done today now as I was talking about that we all make plans we all make decisions we all want to do something we all know decide to do something we all imagine to do something don't we क्या हम नहीं करते हैं अच्छा आप 24 घंटों में क्या क्या प्लान करते हो जी I plan to visit the market I plan now to revise my lessons I plan to visit different areas of Jordan I plan to have food I plan now to visit some hotel or some restaurant I decide now to start my computer I plan now to meet my friends, my old friends of my technical age and technical period. जी, आप क्या करते हैं? हाँ, very good. You plan to bright your future, to light your future. Clear? To do something for your future. जी.
I will help the poor.
You plan to help the poor. Kiss, keep it simple. Kiss, keep. No, imagine language woman ago. Keep it simple. जी. What do you plan? What do you decide? जी, what do you want? अब जब ये घंटे के प्लान करते हो, के कर दिल बड़ा चाहता है जी, ठीक है, के फैसले करते हो जी।
I plan to complete my sabata.
Excellent. You plan, you want, you decide to complete your summer task. Proceed with that. Post that. Hani. I plan to. I plan to. This is the format. I plan to and then we won. जी. भाई साहब नहीं. I plan to do something for my coming exam. I plan to study for my coming exam. I plan to consult the books for my coming exam. जी.
I plan to get degree in
डिग्री इसको में जड़ा आवड़ा एक छोटे वर्क का होना है वो इस दिमाग में छाया वो होवे बस वो लोग देखेंगे. जी.
I plan to write an assignment.
Excellent. You plan to write your assignments regularly. जी. जी. क्योंकि ये बात क्लियर होगी मैंने जैसे नहीं करवा सकते. जी. What do you plan? What do you decide? What do you want in 24 hours?
I plan to make some more questions in the syllabus.
Excellent. He plans to ask more questions. He wants to ask more questions. He decides to ask more questions. He plans to visit the market. He plans to meet his friend. He plans to watch the new movie Sultan. He plans to make plans. He plans to make new plans. He plans to make or to revise, the previous plans. He plans to review the, you can say, previous plans. That's something. हाँ नहीं. आपके दोस्त भी तो होगा ना? होगा ना? वो भी तो ये काम करता होगा ना? आपका दोस्त जो है वो 24 घंटों में क्या क्या करना चाहता है, क्या क्या फैसले करता है. जी.
He plans to meet me.
Very good. Your friend plans to meet you. You got it, baby?
Yes.
अच्छा, दस हो के कितना?
मेरे
वापस करो यूं दिमाग भर गया सुबह. जिंदा दस हो गया. जिंदा हंस और तो जुम्मा बना. जी.
My friend plans to play cricket with me.
कुछ ना ले एक्टिंग में करने वाली. अच्छा जी again बेटा please.
My friend plans to play cricket with me.
Excellent. Excellent. जी.
My friend plans to sleep. How? सर सेंटेंस एक ही बार में.
मैं आपको पहले दिन से कह रहा हूँ kiss, keep it simple, keep it simple, kiss, keep it simple, KISS, keep it simple and straight. दुनिया में जितने कामयाब लोग हैं उनकी कामयाबी का राज क्या है? किस है. और आपको मैं भी जाने मंगवारा ना मैं तो चुमना दे क्यों मैं कामयाब बना. अब जरा गल सुनी ना चुमना दे क्यों मैं कामयाब बना. Kiss stands for keep it simple and straight, keep it simple and short. याद ही मान. इतने सारे से किताबों में कोई लंबे जोड़े वो नहीं है ये जो हमें वो ट्राया जाता है ये सब सादा सा. Simple.
My friend plans to get admission in New College.
होगा सुना है. आज का लेसन. ये तो थोड़ा दिमाग कल मसला पता है. सीधा अल्लाह तो इधर नहीं तो अगर कॉलेज नहीं होया तो ठीक है. Please let me know what's there on the whiteboard. Once again, what's there on the whiteboard? And no, explain it more in your own words. Please talk about that in your own words. Please. Very good. There is an eye in the circle. Chi.
On the whiteboard.
There is an eye on the whiteboard. Please.
I is the side of a whiteboard.
Very good. Please keep talking.
There is blue ink on the whiteboard.
Very good. Ji.
There is a whiteness on the
I is
whiteboard.
written.
Absolutely.
I is written on the corner of the whiteboard.
Excellent. Please talk about that. It's you to talk about that.
I
I is written in capital words.
Very good. No, the letter I is written in capital. Love you, my son. Creative. Ji.
I is written by
Very good. No, I has been written by Mr. Rafia. पढ़ेंगे वैसे आज उसके लिए साइन. हाँ जी.
I is written on the upper side of the whiteboard.
Excellent. जी.
I is written with a blue color.
Excellent. No, in blue color. In blue ink, not with. It's written in blue ink. Ji.
I is near the door.
Excellent. I is there. No. And I am away from the door. Ji. जी
There are some half circles on the whiteboard.
excellent love you my son तेरे पैसे पूरे हो गए मतलब इसी फीस ही कोई नहीं यार नाम
Sir, I love you.
नहीं और बाकी इस आपको दर्द है आप पहले दिन तेज से आए थे पहले 3-4 दिन इधर डीपीएस से अंग्रेजी है वो जान नहीं छोड़ दी याद है जी हाँ जी बेटा प्लीज अरे बढ़िया कीप टॉकिंग
I is written below the pen.
एक्सेलेंट जी ये बहनों
The circle of I is not completed.
excellent very good the circle around I is not completed very good excellent it's incomplete very good wow love you my son
There is many lines on the right board.
excellent there are many kinds of half circle invisible circle half drawn circle on the whiteboard
I is written in rough language.
excellent I is written in rough language oh love you जी रोजदारों
Are you starting the lesson?
very good idea जी
I is the phone without nothing.
I am the base of next lesson.
excellent love you my son हाँ thank you पहला बनाने के लिए तैयार कर लोग करते हैं please what's the word
One.
I want it please no serious we are going to start now lesson number 10 very important I want it what's it 2 and then there is V1 V1 stands for first form of the word for example start I want you to start I want you to start what does it mean when I want you to start very good मैं शुरू करना चाहता था what the new lesson the today's lesson आज का lesson I want you to start format number 10 and ensure all of you are aware that what do these boxes stand for they stand for what number 2 whom number 3 where number 4 when number 5 how and number 6
Why.
very good I want you to start what format number 10 I want you to start format number 10 for whom for you all I want you to start format number 10 where
In the syllabus.
here in the classroom at Silla in this classroom I want you to start I want to start format number 10 when
Yes.
when
In the morning syllabus.
see at the start at the beginning of this class at the beginning of this class fonts clear I want you to start format number 10 how
With the help booklet.
excellent with the help of the booklet please everybody I want you to start format number 10 how
I want it
consciously okay good nicely very good ji I want you to start properly very good attentively
appearance
what do you mean by that
is a jumla
नहीं ये appearance ये क्या होता है I want you to start format number 10
I
how
want it to start still a class with the appearance of me
अच्छा very अच्छा ये कुछ कहना काम ये बात कमाल ही कहना चाह रहे हैं लेकिन कह नहीं पा रहे you mean to say that by appearing in front of all the students by disappearing from the whiteboard clear by appearing not in front of all the students by disappearing from the written work ये हो सकता है हाँ नहीं how
Because this is the base of
no
next month.
not why how
Properly.
I want you to start the format number 10 properly happily very good I want you to start format number 10 happily love you my daughter Marshall actively very good actively attentively very good creatively in a new way in a new fashion in a new style clear or even you can say lazily
By getting new ideas.
नहीं quietly alien side
By getting new ideas.
very good by giving new ideas by getting new ideas from you people And this one is now Y. I want to start now format number 10 Y.
Because this is the base of other formats.
Excellent, because it is the base for the next lesson, for the next format. G.
Because we get knowledge.
Very so that they can get knowledge. Yeah, done so that.
Yes, sir.
Now so that I can get knowledge. Excellent, because it is the part of this you can say booklet. It is the part of course. G.
God explain the new lesson.
I wanted to start the new format. Why?
God explain.
Why? Not अधूरी कहानी नहीं, हमारी अधूरी कहानी, पूरी कहानी.
Because
जी.
to explain my knowledge.
मेरे knowledge है नहीं. Because no.
To explain my
To
ideas.
explain, simple. To explain what?
My ideas.
Very good. To explain my ideas. It's just quite right. I wanted to start with the why. To explain my ideas. Very. Share my ideas.
To explain my experience.
Okay.
It's a part of English grammar.
Because it is a part of English grammar. Love you, my daughter. जिस दिन आप पे बोलना आ गया ना, रहेगा तो बोला धक्के स्टार्ट है ना ये. ओ साला मार फिर सारे कुछ पुश कर रहे. अम्मा गाल सुन जरा मोटरसाइकिल धक्का दिलाना. रुखसाना गाल समझ आ रही? शायदा. बस कुछ है रुखसाना गाना दौड़ना इंशाल्लाह. अच्छा ये मेरी ख्वाहिश थी. I wanted to start what? Format number 10. क्या स्टेटस है? Then what's the status? No. अब इसका क्या स्टेटस है? ये मेरी ख्वाहिश. And I have started it. है वे ना? क्या मतलब है?
मैंने start कर दिया.
Absolutely right. ये है आपको फॉर्मेट नंबर 10. Who and after who there is who A have, who B
Yes.
has, and after that there is B 3, and again there are boxes are there. आप ट्राई करिए. हाँ जी. I wanted to call him on the dais. मैं रफाकत को डाइस पे बुलाना चाह रहा. क्या स्टेटस है आपके? And I called him और मैंने बुला लिया है. बात क्लियर होगी? See, I decided to what? Detach the holder from the cap. क्या स्टेटस है? And I have done it. अब इस समय मैं कह रहा था कि I wanted to start the new lesson. मैं नया lesson start करना चाह रहा था. क्या स्टेटस है? And I have started और मैंने start कर लिया जी. And I have done it और मैंने ऐसा कर लिया जी. बात क्लियर हुई? अब और दसो. आप ही कुछ क्या कहते हैं? Gul Muhammad wanted to propose to Fateh. Gul Muhammad wanted to propose to Fateh. क्या स्टेटस है? And he has done it. And he has proposed. गुल मोहम्मद फतेह को प्रपोज करना चाहता था और उसने प्रपोज कर लिया है जी. गुल मोहम्मद फतेह wanted to marry Gul Muhammad and she has married him. फतेह भी गुल मोहम्मद से शादी करना चाहती थी और उसने शादी कर ली है. You wanted to reach Sila, आप सिला पहुंचना चाहते थे, and you have reached और आप पहुंच चुके हैं, आप पहुंच गए हैं जी. अब अगले दसो भाई.
I wanted to understand the format number 10 and I have.
Understood? I wanted to understand format number 10. मैं format number 10 समझना चाहता था, and I have understood और मैंने समझ लिया.
I wanted to learn English.
Very good. And I have started. मैं इंग्लिश समझना चाहता था और मैंने ये शुरू कर दिया. I wanted to understand English and I have started. Clear? And I have joined academy. And I have joined some group. Point clear?
I wanted to to ask some questions to all the students
And I have asked. Excellent. You wanted to ask the questions and you have asked. You wanted to recite the Holy Quran and you have recited. I wanted to show it to you. I wanted to show it to you and I have shown it. I wanted to press my clothes in the morning and I have pressed. I wanted to take a bath and I have taken. I wanted to take a cup of tea and I have taken it. I wanted to polish my shoes and I have polished them or done them. होठों से क्या करना है? सुनना है बोलना और आपने करना है नरेट. मैं एग्जांपल दूं. हाँ भाई आसिफ बेटा बताइए.
I wanted to buy new mobile and I have bought it.
हाँ पता तुसा क्या कहें? ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ख्वाहिश है कि ਤੁਸੀਂ ਨਵਾਂ ਮੋਬਾਈਲ ਲਵੋ. तो ਹੁਣ ਕੀ ਬਣਿਆ ਫਿਰ? ਮੈਂ ਲੈ ਲਿਆ. ਨਵਾਂ ਮੋਬਾਈਲ ਲੈਣ ਤੇ ਦਿਲ ਆ ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਲੈ ਲਿਆ. ਬਸ ਵਜ਼ੀਰ ਨਾਲ ਪਨੇਨ ਤੇ ਦਿਲ ਆ. ਹੈ ਤੇ ਕੀ ਗਾਣੀ ਜੀ?
Confidence lose हो गया.
अल्लाह. लेकिन क्या करो जी है ना मिस कर बैठा है. वज़ीर जी हो तो ही वज़ीर ना मंगेंगे. And I have missed the chance.
Yes, sir.
रोना नहीं है. अच्छा ये क्या सच्ची है सारी? अच्छा मैं समझ नहीं पता सारा जो गान में सच्ची मैं कैसे लाए? देखिए बेटा. देखिए. He wanted to.
He wanted to buy a mobile and he had both.
He has. अब who A और B का आपको भी नहीं पता है. Who A क्या होता है जी? I, we, you, it और he and plural noun. Who B, he, she, it और s. ये आपको समझ आएगा थोड़ी देर में. हाँ जी. अब क्या है जी? पूरी बात यूँ करनी है जो आपका काम है. Mr. Hassan tells us that he wanted to buy a new mobile and he has bought it.
I wanted to help the people and I have
Helped them. Very good. Help them people and I have helped them. Ji.
Mr. Kamran tells us that he wanted to help the needy person
Okay.
and he helped them.
And
He had helped them.
he
He had helped. He has helped.
Again, madam, please. What does he tell us?
Mr. Kamran tells us that he wanted to help.
That Mr. Kamran tells us that he wanted to help the poor and he has helped them. So simple. Ji beta. I wanted to call my father and I have called him. I wanted to tell my father about my mother and I have tell. मेरे क्लास है तो बेटा इनमें शरारत तो बोलने वाला. हाँ जी. चलो तुझे सोच लो जी. I have met him. Friend ले लिए ना. अब friend ले लिए नहीं मैं ये यार है. शुक्र है. हाँ जी. You wanted to meet your friend and you have met him. आप अपने दोस्त से मिलना चाहते थे और आपने मिल लिया. सारी उनसे बोलना पड़ा.
I wanted to reach Sila and
I have reached. Very good. You wanted to reach Sila. आप सिला पहुंचना चाहते थे and you have reached और आप पहुंच गए. जी.
I wanted to know about triple R.
वो तभी मैं उनको सुन लेना मैं.
I wanted to know about triple R
And I have known about it. You wanted to know about triple R और आप triple R के बारे में जानना चाहते थे and you have known about it. वीडियो है कि नहीं? अच्छा मैं समझा कि वो वीडियो देखें.
I wanted to leave pant shirt
हाँ.
and I have
Left it as all. Front shirt छोड़ दी. पक्की पक्की. मतलब कि divorce तलाक की कड़ी होती है. तलाक के बाएं. तलाक के रजी और ऐसी पांच तलाक के बाएं दे देती. हाँ वो वाला सर. सिर्फ यूनिफॉर्म बस.
Yes, sir. ये jeans वाली नहीं पड़ा.
हाँ.
ऐसे पड़ी बहुत सारी है.
हाँ. यार पानी नहीं पड़ता यार मैं पानी पड़ गया.
ऐसा हो गया ना.
और देखो ना ये जड़ा सारे को जड़ा बाकी है पलंदा तो सो के ले आई. जितना कपड़ा जितनी जरूरत इतनी हो गया ना.
Yes, sir.
जब तो यकीन ना अच्छा भाई ये चले शलवार भी है उते बाद उते हो भी है सारे जिस्म डाउन है ना जी ओ गोडल सारे तक आया जी सारे डाउन है हैं जी
I wanted to buy.
हां
I wanted to buy a game.
ओके ये गेम क्या होता है यू वांट अच्छा द कंप्यूटर गेम सीडी वाले हैं जी
And
बोलिए
I have bought it.
एंड यू हैव हाँ जी
Yes.
next please the word is what decided I decided to close the door I decided to close the door क्या माना मैंने दरवाजा बंद करने का फैसला किया तो क्या बने आपने
I have closed.
and I have closed it और मैंने इसे बंद कर दिया समझेगा तो सर जिंदगी I decided to meet my Fatbi and I have met her ये बात दिया लेकिन चाहिए ऑस्ट्रेलिया पर भी हाँ जी प्लीज
I decided to make new friends.
Okay.
And I have making
and I have
it.
made no problem वो कोई गलती नहीं है बात you decided to make new friends and you have made आपने नए दोस्त बनाने का फैसला किया और आपने बना लिया ठीक होगी बात जी open है जी open discussion for anybody
I decided to
write drama and
हाँ.
I have created
and I have
it.
कोई बात
And
नहीं
I
ये कसम
have-
जा रही थी एक तो ऐसा कि वैसे इतवार को है? कल है हाँ बस कल दबा था
And I
इस बात में आज दिन में
have
बदलूं
created
very good you wanted to write a drama and you have written it you have completed it clear you have drafted it जी
I decided to join the English class
and you have joined you decided to join the English class and you have joined it आपने इंग्लिश क्लास ज्वाइन करने का फैसला किया and you have joined it और आपने ज्वाइन कर लिया जी
I decided to leave bad company. I have
left you decided to leave the bad company and you have left it और आपने इसे छोड़ दिया जी
I decided to make sentence I have done.
and I have done it and I have made it and I have created it and I have drafted it and I have formed it बात करूँगी जी
I decided to learn the Holy Quran and
you
I
decided to
learn the Holy Quran and
Okay.
I have learned it.
मुझे बताइए what did he decide and what is status in English he tells us that he decided to learn the Holy Quran and he has learned it आप इधर आ जाना आप ये my father, my mother, my brother, my sister, my friend, my enemy, my neighbor, and so on. Please. My father decided to marry the lady who is my mother-in-law, and जी वो तो फिर 44 सब में होना है यार जी and he has married us now and he has done now a lot और तो मतलब पोतरी भी हो गए तो उससे की बड़ा सारा हाँ जी please my
friend decided to read the book Zavia of Ishfaq Ahmed and he has wrote it.
नहीं पढ़ने का फैसला किया your friend decided
He has read it.
excellent your friend decided to read the book Zavia by Ashfaq Ahmed and he has read it clear in simple you can say keep it simple case your friend decided to read Zavia and he has read it clear ji
My friend's team decided to win the final match and he had won it. दोबारा
हाँ जी
My
जी
My friend decided to marry.
अच्छा हाँ to marry देख भाई जी फतेह की फ्रेंड ना है गुल मोहम्मद है फतेह की दिमाग में गुल मोहम्मद ना है याद रखना फ्रेंड नहीं ये तो जुल्म हो गया फ्रेंड उसी गुल मोहम्मद हाँ लेकिन गुल मोहम्मद आ गया ना भाई मेहरबानी गुल मोहम्मद अच्छा your friend decided to marry Fateh and he has married her आपके दोस्त ने खातून से शादी करने का फैसला किया और उसने शादी कर ली जी प्लीज
My friend decided to go to marry.
okay and he has gone there and he has gone there and he has gone there my friend decided to visit Murray and he has visited it clear and he has visited it जी
My teacher decided to encourage the students, encourage the students.
Okay.
And he has done it.
and he has done it my teacher decided to develop the confidence of the student and he has done it and he has increased it and he has developed it my teacher decided to educate the students and he has educated them clear ji please
My friend decided to drive a bike
okay
and
he has driven it he decided to drive and he has driven he decided to read and he has read he decided to speak and he has spoken he decided to marry and he has married he decided to tell and he has told he decided to open and he has opened he decided to close and he has closed he decided to press and he has pressed he decided to take and he has taken he decided to leave and he has left he decided to enter and he has entered he decided to teach and he has taught he has taught he decided to catch and he has dropped Pakistani finger he decided to catch but he has dropped बस नहीं आगे चलते हैं please plant I plan to आपका लेसन ये क्या मुझे सिर्फ इसको दूसरे से करवाना है हाँ जी I plan to
I plan to get admission again and Silla. I have got.
and very good no she tells us that she planned to get admission in Silla again and she has got it इन्होंने प्लान किया ये दोबारा सिला में एडमिशन लें और इन्होंने एडमिशन ले लिया एक आदमी यहाँ पे आता है जो नरेट करता मजा बस मैं सुत्ते तो कटे जाऊंगा लेकिन कुछ ना सके लो
ऐसे कंपटीशन नहीं होगा वो चाहिए
बस दूसरी बात बैठ रहा था मेरी ख्वाहिश थी टैक्स आ रहा है इधर ही बैठो क्या हाल है
जबरदस्त I am fine
जिस जबरदस्त का मतलब क्या ज़बरदस्त और जबरदस्त 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 क्या होता है दस्तगीर पीर दस्तगीर जी हाथ पकड़ दस्त का माना क्या होता है हाथ दस्त ये सौदा दस्त बदस्ती मिलदा नहीं उधार पड़े है ना दस्त हाथ जबरदस्त जिसका हाथ उत्ते होवे जेर दस्त जिसका हाथ थल्ले होवे ते दस्तगीर कलमगीर कलम पकड़ने वाला कफगीर कफ पकड़ने वाला ते दस्तगीर और बड़े लफ्ज कितने बेयान अंग्रेज पद लवे अपनी अंग्रेजन ना उसके बेयान जी बड़े लफ्ज के बंदर दस्तगीर ये मेरी हाथ पकड़ने वाला हाँ और बोलो ऐसा पढ़ो जी ये सब पढ़ो और इसका ये किस उम्मत का अच्छा जब मतलब मैंने फिर ये क्या करते हैं कोई सारे दुनाई नहीं है बैठी होती नहीं जोड़े सारे आम बात के जा रहे हाथ हो पूरी नीयत की बैठी हुई ऐसे बैठे नहीं हो तो हाँ बुरकी छोड़ी हाँ बिल्कुल तेरे नाक भी नजर नहीं होना चाहिए।